Rebecca, can you go over there and make an angel? Go over a little further. Keep going.
Up here?
Over there by the bird house. Oh, you want to do it there?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a good spot. Okay, lay back. You're alright. Lay back in the snow. Make an angel. Move your arms. Move them good. Move your legs.
I'm maybe doing
You what?
kind of slow.
Oh. Okay. There you go. That's a good job.
Now can I look at the
Yeah.
angel?
Yeah, now get up and look at it.
I did?
Good job.
Is it a snow angel?
Uh-huh.
Let me try a different one.
Okay. Do it again. Perfect angel. Good job.